L-Arginine is one of those remarkable nutrients that quietly works behind the scenes to restore balance and vitality to your body. One of its most important roles is improving circulation and oxygen flow, the very foundation of good health and healing. When your blood is moving freely and efficiently, every cell in your body receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function at its best. This is where L-Arginine truly shines. Inside your body, L-Arginine converts into a natural compound called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as your body's own internal messenger that tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. When this happens, your arteries and veins open up, allowing your blood to flow more smoothly. This gentle widening effect means your heart doesn't have to work as hard and your tissues get more oxygen and nourishment. The result is better energy, clearer thinking, and faster recovery after physical activity. When your circulation improves, it affects every system in your body. Your muscles are able to receive the fuel they need to perform and repair themselves. That's why people who include more L-Arginine in their diet often notice improved stamina and endurance. The increased blood flow helps deliver essential nutrients like amino acids, glucose, and oxygen directly to your muscle cells, helping them grow stronger and recover more quickly after exercise or daily movement. But the benefits go far beyond physical strength. Healthy blood flow supports your brain and nervous system too. When your brain receives more oxygen, you experience sharper focus, improved mood, and mental clarity. Even your skin begins to show signs of renewal because the increased circulation brings life, giving nutrients to the surface. Your complexion may appear more radiant, and wounds or blemishes heal faster. Many people underestimate how crucial circulation is to overall wellness. Poor circulation can lead to fatigue, cold hands and feet, slow healing, and even heart strain. By naturally boosting nitric oxide through L-Arginine, you are not only supporting your heart health, but also nurturing your body's ability to detoxify, repair, and regenerate. This simple amino acid is nature's way of reminding us that healing doesn't have to be complicated. When your blood flows freely, your body feels alive again. Energy increases, stress decreases, and you begin to sense a deep connection with your body's natural rhythm. A reminder that vitality and youthfulness come from within. One of the most fascinating and powerful effects of L-Arginine is its ability to naturally stimulate the release of human growth hormone, or HGH. This hormone is often called the body's youth molecule because it plays such a vital role in how we look, feel, and function as we age. Growth hormone is responsible for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, maintaining healthy skin, and keeping our metabolism active and efficient. Unfortunately, as the years go by, the natural production of HGH in the body starts to decline. And this is one of the main reasons people begin to lose muscle tone, gain fat more easily, and feel less energetic. L-Arginine helps change that. When this amino acid enters your system, it encourages your pituitary gland, a small but powerful gland at the base of your brain, to release more growth hormone naturally. It doesn't force your body or overstimulate it. Rather, it reminds your system how to do what it already knows best. This gentle boost in HGH can make a tremendous difference over time. Increased growth hormone levels help your body regenerate cells more efficiently, which leads to stronger muscles, faster healing, and improved energy levels. Unlike artificial hormone replacements, L-Arginine works with your body, not against it. It enhances what nature designed instead of trying to override it. This is why many people who take L-Arginine as part of a healthy lifestyle notice gradual but lasting improvements. Their muscles feel firmer, and their endurance increases, and their body composition starts to shift naturally. Less fat, more lean mass. They may also experience better sleep, sharper focus, and a calmer mood because growth hormone plays a key role in recovery and mental balance. The benefits extend to the skin as well. Growth hormone supports collagen production, which helps keep your skin elastic and smooth. With more HGH circulating naturally, fine lines soften, and your skin begins to regain that healthy, youthful glow that often fades with age. Supporting your body's natural production of growth hormone is one of the most effective ways to slow down the aging process without relying on harsh chemicals or synthetic treatments. L-Arginine offers a safe, natural path to help your body rebuild and renew itself. It's not about chasing youth, it's about awakening the vitality that's already within you. The strength and energy your body still holds, just waiting to be reawakened. L-Arginine plays a unique role in helping the body transform its composition, reducing fat while building and maintaining lean muscle. This process is not about rapid fixes or temporary results. It's about restoring balance to your metabolism and encouraging your body to function the way it was meant to. When your cells receive the right signals and your circulation improves, your body becomes more efficient at using energy. Instead of storing excess calories as fat, you begin to burn them for fuel. L-Arginine supports this transformation in several important ways. First, by increasing nitric oxide production, it enhances blood flow to your muscles. Better circulation means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients during exercise and recovery. This helps them grow stronger and more toned, while also improving endurance and reducing fatigue. You don't just look stronger, you feel stronger. The improved delivery of nutrients allows your muscles to rebuild faster after stress, which means every movement you make becomes more productive. Another powerful effect of L-Arginine is how it supports the release of growth hormone and insulin sensitivity. These two factors together create an ideal environment for fat loss and muscle gain. Growth hormone encourages your body to use fat as an energy source, while improved insulin function helps control blood sugar and reduce fat storage. Over time, this combination can shift your body's metabolism from storing fat to burning it naturally, even when you're at rest. L-Arginine also helps preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss, which is something many people struggle with. When the body loses weight too quickly or through extreme diets, it often loses muscle along with fat. L-Arginine helps protect those muscles, ensuring your metabolism stays high and your body remains strong. Maintaining lean muscle is one of the keys to long-term health and youthful energy because muscle tissue burns more calories than fat and supports better posture, balance, and mobility as we age. The beauty of this process is that it doesn't require drastic measures. When you pair L-Arginine with regular movement, proper hydration, and nourishing foods, your body begins to respond naturally. You'll notice changes not just in the mirror, but in how you move, how you rest, and how much energy you have each day. It's your body's way of saying thank you. Proof that when you give it what it needs, it will always work to restore your strength, your balance, and your vitality. One of the greatest gifts L-Arginine offers is its ability to support both heart health and the immune system, two of the most essential foundations for long-term wellness and graceful aging. The heart is the center of life, pumping blood and oxygen to every cell in your body. When your cardiovascular system is strong and your immune defenses are balanced, your body can heal, protect, and renew itself from within. L-Arginine helps make that possible through its powerful connection to nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. When your blood vessels open up, circulation improves dramatically. This allows your heart to pump blood more efficiently, reducing strain and lowering blood pressure naturally. The improved flow ensures that every organ, from your brain to your toes, receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to thrive. Over time, this can support healthier cholesterol levels, reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries, and improve overall cardiovascular function. The result is a lighter, more energized feeling in the body, as if your system is finally breathing freely again. But the benefits go beyond the heart. Healthy circulation directly impacts your immune system as well. Your immune cells travel through the bloodstream to find and destroy harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. When your circulation is strong, your immune cells can move faster and work more efficiently. L-Arginine also plays a role in the creation of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against infection. This means that your immune system becomes more responsive, allowing you to recover more quickly from illness and inflammation. Inflammation is a natural part of healing, but when it becomes chronic, it can damage tissues and accelerate aging. L-Arginine helps regulate this process by supporting better blood flow and oxygen delivery, which aids in tissue repair and reduces unnecessary inflammation. Your body becomes more resilient, less tired, and more balanced. By nourishing your heart and immune system together, L-Arginine helps create a powerful internal harmony. You begin to feel more vibrant, your stamina improves, and your overall sense of wellness deepens. Every beat of your heart becomes more efficient, every breath feels fuller, and your body moves with greater ease. This is what true health feels like when your body's natural systems work in unity, keeping you strong, youthful, and full of life from the inside out. L-Arginine is a remarkable amino acid, but its real power is unlocked when it becomes part of a balanced, healthy lifestyle. No supplement or nutrient can work in isolation. The body functions as one interconnected system, and everything you do, what you eat, how you move, how you rest, and even how you think, influences how well that system performs. L-Arginine is not a quick fix, it is a partner in wellness. When you pair it with mindful daily habits, it amplifies your body's natural healing ability, helping you look and feel your best from the inside out. When you nourish your body with whole foods, especially those rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, L-Arginine works more efficiently. Nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, seeds, nuts, and lean proteins provide the building blocks your body needs to create energy and repair tissue. Drinking enough water each day helps transport these nutrients through your bloodstream, supporting the improved circulation that L-Arginine promotes. Hydration also helps flush out toxins and keep your cells clean and active. Movement is another essential part of this process. Exercise stimulates blood flow, strengthens your heart, and builds lean muscle, all areas that L-Arginine supports. When you move your body regularly, whether through walking, yoga, or strength training, you create a positive feedback loop. The amino acid enhances circulation, and exercise keeps that circulation strong. Together, they accelerate fat burning, muscle recovery, and energy production. Rest and recovery are equally important. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone and repairs itself at the cellular level. L-Arginine can support this natural rhythm by helping the body relax and improving oxygen flow during rest. A calm, rested body is more capable of healing, thinking clearly, and maintaining hormonal balance. Lastly, never underestimate the power of your mindset. Stress and negative emotions can affect your hormones, digestion, and circulation. Practicing gratitude, deep breathing, or meditation helps keep your nervous system calm and your immune system strong. When L-Arginine is combined with proper nutrition, regular movement, hydration, rest, and positive thinking, the results are truly transformative. Your body begins to operate at its full potential, energy increases, mood improves, and aging slows naturally. It's a reminder that true health doesn't come from one thing, but from the beautiful harmony of many small, consistent choices working together. When your circulation, hormones, and metabolism work in harmony, something remarkable happens. Your entire body begins to feel younger, stronger, and more alive. This is the kind of balance L-Arginine helps create. It's not just about building muscle or burning fat, it's about restoring that spark of vitality that aging sometimes dims. True youthfulness isn't found in how many candles are on your birthday cake. It's in how your body functions, how your mind feels, and how much energy flows through you each day. As we age, many people assume it's normal to slow down, to feel tired, or to lose motivation. But the truth is, much of that fatigue comes from systems in the body not working as efficiently as they once did. When blood flow decreases, oxygen and nutrients reach your cells more slowly. When hormone levels drop, your metabolism and recovery slow down. L-Arginine helps reignite these natural processes by improving circulation and stimulating the release of key growth hormones. This helps your body perform at a younger biological age, even if the years are moving forward. When your body starts to function efficiently again, you begin to notice subtle but meaningful changes. You wake up with more energy, your muscles feel stronger, your mind becomes clearer and calmer. Even your skin takes on a healthier glow, because improved circulation brings more oxygen and nutrients to its surface. This renewed vitality isn't just physical, it's emotional too. Feeling better in your body helps you think more positively, move more confidently, and live more purposefully. This process is not instant, but it's natural and lasting. When you care for your body through proper nutrition, movement, rest, and mindful living, and support it with nutrients like L-Arginine, you give it permission to heal and renew itself at every level. The fatigue fades, the stiffness eases, and your spirit begins to feel lighter. The most powerful message here is that aging doesn't mean decline. It means transformation. You can grow wiser, stronger, and more vibrant with each passing year if you nurture your body the way it was designed to be nurtured. L-Arginine simply helps unlock that inner potential, reminding you that youth isn't lost with age. It lives within you, waiting to be awakened by care, balance, and consistent love for yourself.